how to unrestrict someone on Messenger. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, if you have restricted someone on Messenger, then you will not be able to see their name on the chat list. Neither you will be able to search for their name in the search bar. So, go ahead and tap on the three dots on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the settings option. You will then see the privacy and safety option. Tap on that and further, under the Who Can Reach You tab, you will see the Restricted Accounts option. Tap on that and further in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see all the accounts that you have restricted. Tap on the account that you want to unrestrict and you will then see the Unrestricted button. Tap on that, and with this, as you can see, that particular account has been unrestricted. So this is how you can unrestrict someone on Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.